I'd use to describe my experience at PopFam is community.
Inspiring.
Nurturing.
Supported.
Warm. Respectful. And touching.
I would say practical.
Comprehensive.
It's transformative.
I think mind expanding.
Satisfying.
Passionate.
Stimulating.
Amazing.
Unforgettable.
Well, I think what really characterizes the PopFam professor is a person who is very passionate for the field of public health, and that shines through in their teaching. There have been classes where I've seen my professors talk about their work almost moved to tears, which is always a humbling reminder that the work we do is of consequence, not because we're going to be graded in class, but because the scientific rigor which we bring to our work makes not only our research have integrity, but makes us have integrity.
They really want to get the most out of everything while you're here, and they truly care. And it doesn't stop at just classes. They'll help you in terms of job and future, and if you just need somebody to vent to, and because you're so frustrated and you can't handle it, they'll always be there and their door's always open.
I've felt like every time I've needed to talk to somebody about anything that's going on, be it in my classwork or to do with my schedule or advice for the future, anything, they seem to always be there for me, which has been a really empowering experience.
Something that's unique about PopFam is really the ways that faculty are able to interact with students as learners as well as teachers. I feel like they treat us as whole people, not just as people who pay tuition to be here and learn from them, but also as people who come with expertise and who come with experiences that are valued and that they're curious about and that they're proud of.
I do feel like the minute we became Columbia students, they were accessible to us, and that I feel like is very unique and has definitely enriched and made this experience much more valuable.
I appreciate being not only noticed but cared for. I feel like having really solid teachers that really just pedagogically know how to get things across and really just make me more passionate about the things that I'm learning is really inspiring to make me want to be an even better educator.
The faculty are doing service-based research. They're so passionate about what they're working on, and it's palpable and it's really inspiring.
I think that my experience in PopFam has really helped me transform my passion, which didn't have that much direction upon arriving here at Mailman, and transform it into something with a productive outlet, very relevant, applicable, and I have direction now for that passion. The faculty have been invaluable in shaping that path.
They were all wonderful teachers as well as wonderful mentors and advisors. They always make free time for you if you need to meet with them, even if you're not in their classes.
They have backgrounds in field research, in social justice movements, in clinical programming and policy, and I've learned a little bit about all of those things, which I think is what makes a well-rounded MPH student.
I feel like I'm able to have a deeper analysis and I have the technical skills to do this, and I think it was thanks to the exposure we had to our professors.
Since I think the practical research skills were the mainstay of my time here, but also I think the professors went above and beyond putting those in a meaningful context. I think that having that sensibility in doing public health work is key, especially knowing how to apply those skills in different communities, different situations, and I'm really grateful for that.
Something that I think that's unique about PopFam is a real focus on the world outside of Mailman. So really an emphasis on how to take everything that you learn here and everything that you've kind of engaged with all the material and how to apply that to the real world once you've left.
So I put all of the notes that I would bring with me to Colombia and Peru, where I did my practicum, in one binder. So I have all of my research design, program planning, and program eval with me. And I looked through the notebook the whole time, and it really helped me design the research that I did, as well as present it and think of how to do a program plan that would be useful to my organization.
I really enjoy all the extra opportunities to mingle with the faculty, with our colleagues, and to meet other experts in the field that come in to do lectures and seminars. So there's just so much learning beyond just in the classroom for PopFam.
So the staff here in the PopFam office are extremely wonderful, very nice, always approachable, always see them with a smile. Yeah, it's a great department.
Thank you so much for your passion and dedication to your students.
Thank you for all of your hard work, for your commitment and your time to the students and to the work that you're doing outside of these walls.
Thank you for being so committed to your students.
Thank you to the faculty for not only being leaders in your own field and inspiring all of us, but really genuinely caring about our learning process and our growing process.
I don't think that we would be where we are without you, and I know that your commitment to teaching is really essential to our success in learning.
Thank you to the faculty for really encouraging me to think about why I'm here and why I want to do the work that I want to do in the future.
Thank you so, so much.
For exceeding my expectations.
And thank you for being so supportive.
You cannot go wrong with PopFam.
I wouldn't trade it for anything.
Because we're really the best.
Grew up in a town that is famous as a place of movie scenes.